Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can use B2B Lead Generator for your business. First of all, you have to open B2B Leads Generator software folder and then go to Properties folder. Here you will see a notepad file named Keywords, which you have to open. Here you have to enter engaging keywords related to the sales of your business. As I am showing you, for example, you can also enter multiple keywords here and then go to File menu and save it. After doing this process, we have to close this keyword notepad file. After completing all these processes, you have to go back from here. Also, I request all the users to please not click and open anywhere else without knowledge. Finally, to begin the automated B2B Leads Generator process, you need to double-click on the Start file here. Here, your automated B2B Lead Generator process has begun. Finally, if you want to check your report, then go to the B2B Leads Generator software folder and open it. After that, you go to the Properties folder. After this, you have to open the Report folder here. Here, you will automatically get through B2B Leads Generator multiple leads related to your business sales in Excel CSV format. Open this. This is all your active B2B leads that you can use in various ways for your business sales, etc. For more information, visit our website www.tryautomation.com, or you can also contact us on the number given in the post or description.